Morning everyone, it's Owen here again. Another little update on the road, nice and early on a beautiful Sunday morning. This time going to collect Dunlin eggs for headstarting. So Dunlin are a small little wader species that have declined again, like all our other waders, dramatically in Ireland over the last 50 years. And Dunlin are really, for want of a better expression, hanging on by their toenails in Ireland. There's definitely less than 50 pairs, and there's probably less than 30 pairs now breeding in Ireland. So a decline of way over 90%. Dunlin like wet pools and those sort of areas to breed in, both on uplands and coastal sites. And a lot of those habitats are gone or have been degraded. Also, the way we've changed our land use policies, we've made it more favourable for generalist predators, so a lot of these birds that are breeding on the ground are very, very susceptible to predation. So what we're doing today, we're going down to collect eggs. It's really, really exciting. It's groundbreaking. It's never been done or attempted in Ireland before, and to the best of my knowledge, the only place that's ever done it before globally is Norden's Ark in Sweden, in collaboration with BirdLife International up there. They've been headstarting some Dunlins since 2023. So I'd like to thank them because they were very kind to us, and we had a couple of meetings with them, and they were very open with their knowledge and their learnings from their work. So that was really vital for us to get our methodologies in place and our licensing in place to go ahead and undertake what this year is going to be a pilot. We're aiming to get 2 clutches, so 8 eggs. So hopefully we'll have 8 little Dunlin to release back into the wild population later this year. So I'm going down to meet our friends in the Life and Mackerel project. Where we're collecting the eggs is a Life and Mackerel site, and the Life and Mackerel project is protecting mackerel, which is a type of coastal grassland, actually a very rare type of coastal grassland. To the best of my knowledge, only occurs on the west coast of Ireland and some of the west coast of Scotland. So we will collect our eggs, we'll transport them down to our project partners in Fota Wildlife Park. Again, like our curlew, they have the expertise in incubation and chick rearing. We'll collect the chicks off them then when they're probably 10 or 12 days old, bring them back up to our release facilities on the coast before releasing them then when they fledge. I suppose Dunlin probably fledge at 23 or 24 days. So it's really exciting. Again, thanks to our friends in the Life and Mackerel project. They've been working very hard on this site over the last 2 years. They identified Dunlin as a breeding species there. Thanks to Dave Sotheby from Birdwatch Ireland. Dave has been on site over the last couple of weeks along with our project ecologist Andrea and the Life and Mackerel team. They've been surveying the site, identifying territorial pairs, and it was Dave that found the nest on Friday. So well done, Dave, and thanks again. Dave has a wealth of knowledge in relation to Dunlin and breeding waders. It goes to show, I suppose, that the collaborative conservation of everybody working together is really, really important. If this was a breeding wader EIP initiative and we were the only ones at it, I've no doubt that I wouldn't be on the way to collect Dunlin eggs for headstarting in 2025. So a big thanks to everybody. Collaborative conservation is not just about people who are looking after birds either. Any conservation work, it's all linked. Where what we do on the ground to improve conditions for breeding waders has knock-on benefits, co-benefits to a huge amount of other things, to invertebrates, to plant species, the list goes on. And it's the same with people who are working on habitats or on plant species. The knock-on benefits of their work also help breeding waders or some of our really vulnerable insect species. So collaborative conservation is key. It's about everybody working together. For any young people that are looking to get into a career in conservation, go for it. It does involve a lot of early mornings, late nights, etc. But who cares? We're saving birds. We're helping birds hang on in Ireland. You can always turn around to your grandkids in time and say, I helped save curlew, or I helped save osprey or corncrake or a certain type of habitat in Ireland. So really, really rewarding. A vocation maybe more than a career. So chat to you all soon. We do have some information on our website about Dunlin, so check it out. They're a magnificent species. They're absolutely beautiful on their breeding grounds. Beautiful during the winter as well, but they put on their finery for breeding. They change their plumage. They get a lovely black breast and grey and silvery markings and brown along their back. So spectacular birds, like all our wader species. So chat soon. is Andrea, our project ecologist, back with our cargo of 4 beautiful Dunlin eggs. So they're going to go into our incubator and we're on the road straight down to Fota Wildlife Park. That went smoothly, Andrea?
It did, yeah. We managed to find 4 eggs, 3 on Friday, and she laid another egg in the last couple of days, so that was great.
So incubation really probably hasn't started fully, or is only just about starting,
yeah,
which gives the bird a great chance of relaying.
Yeah.
Perfect, let's get on the road.